Okay, so we will discuss what the oscilloscope waveforms should look like for part B. Uh, we have nothing in here right now. The multimeter is reading 1.5 volt DC. That's from discharge voltage of the capacitor. Let's not worry about that. We have our transformer not connected, so let me connect this guy. And immediately we see some ripple. I don't like this waveform yet because it's a little bit noisy. So the peak to peak value, it's 170 millivolts, and we are expected to get about 100 millivolts. So there are ways which we know of filtering out the noise, but I'm not going to do that for this specific exercise. What I will do is though, record the DC measurements. So the DC measurement of V reference, so V reference is the reference voltage of this node between Zener diode and the resistor. So Zener diode resistor junction, that's the V reference. And that's my multimeter reading, that's 4.4 volts. And it does fit per our specification, that 4.7 volts plus minus 20%. Now, ripple. So the ripple waveform is noisy. I don't want to add a capacitor because there's a better way to do that. I'm going to do math. So the moment I turn math, it's showing me something in here. Why it's showing me something in here? Because I did something earlier. So if you look at this guy right here, the operator low pass filter. So when you do math, as we have done FFT before, so what you have done so far is gone up and down and pick the FFT. So right now what I'm suggesting we do is we go in the filter section and select a low pass filter, select the source as our one, because that's our input channel. That's what we are measuring. And now we want to see what the filtered out waveform should look like. So the yellow waveform, let me do a single for this guy. Okay. So this waveform is coming out of our breadboard and it's very noisy. I don't like it. And the peak to peak value is 181 millivolts. That's our ripple. And that's twice as much as it's expected. But what I want to do is measure center to center because that's what our actual ripple is. So what we do is we want to filter out the high frequency noise so that we can get this nice little crisp line which should tell me what my actual ripple is.